Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? That was it? That was so fast. Munbyn just sent me one of their thermal printers, and I'm here to find out if it is a game changer or if it's a desk ornament. So let's put it to the test. This might completely level up my entire business strategy. Okay, we're gonna start off with the label printer itself. So it's pretty nicely packaged. I'm actually really impressed with it. Here we have our instruction guides, which I probably won't read. I'll probably read it. Let me just set that aside. Here we go. It's very small. Okay, so here it is. It actually looks like it has a test in there, which is kind of cool. And then it has like a little power, like it's literally not even, I think like 4 inches across. This is so small. I love it. That's really neat. Okay, and then it also has, it comes with the cable, and it comes with a few different attachments because you can attach it to different things like your iPad or you know, anything that would print really. And then there is a dedicated app that I saw that will download and then go onto your phone. Okay, so I'm going to set all this stuff aside because I'm not setting it up in this room. I'm going to set it up in my office, but that's pretty cool. So the piece itself is super nice. So we'll see it in action here in a little bit. They also sent me a little stand to place it on. It has like a little rolly thing here in the middle for the rolls of paper, and that helps to feed it in cleanly and nicely. So we'll look at that as well. I'm gonna open this up. Okay, so these are the pieces. It does have to be assembled. So let's go ahead and put it together really fast. So I'm guessing the legs go here. These are the legs. And here. Okay, so I've got my legs here. And looks like they're just going to clip in this way. Oh yeah. It reminds me in the best way possible, and I mean this like with absolute reverence. It kind of reminds me of like a Fisher-Price table or something like that, which is impressive because Fisher-Price tables last like a million years. So my parents still have one that they bought when I was like 3 years old. So that was quite a while ago. And then this is gonna go in the middle of it, which I know it's hard to see right now because I'm so close, but this basically just rests here. And then you're able to feed in your pieces. You're able to feed in your printer stuff. Okay. They also sent me just some regular thermal paper. So these are just thermal labels like you would get at UPS. And they sent me some pretty cute colored stickers. They're like pastel colored. So this is designed to go, looks like they're all circles. And then this is designed to go under here. So like you just put that in and then you push it into place and you make sure both sides are locked down. And then that's going to feed the paper into your printer. So let's go set it up in my office and then we can see it in action. Okay, so I have it set up and I've gone into my phone and created a label, and now I'm going to actually print it out. So we're going to see it in action. I wonder how long this takes because Like obviously an inkjet printer and a laser printer, they're gonna take a little while to lay down the colors. So I'm curious to see how long this will be. Okay, here we go. I'm gonna go ahead and click print. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? That was it? That was so fast. Let's take a look. So cool. And it's not gonna smudge because it's not ink. That is so cool. Let me see how close I can get. Wow, okay, that's really fun. Where am I gonna put this first sticker? Let's put it, I'll put it, ah! Of course that would happen. I'll put it right there. Oh my god, that's so cute! I can't believe how easy and fast that was. I almost want to print another one. Let's do it. Oh, I got stuck. Okay. Okay, so it just jammed up. I'm gonna go ahead and open it. Again, there's like a little button on the side here. I'm gonna pop that. And then, I'm not sure what caused that to happen, but I'm just gonna pull it through. And I guess I'll just close it again. Yeah, okay. Like that maybe. Ah! Let me take that off really fast. Okay, let me get rid of this one. I love the auto detection of the sticker because that really helps to keep it aligned. If you've ever used one of these before, it's really hard to keep everything aligned properly. So this is super helpful for that. Okay, I'm gonna do one more to make sure that that was just kind of a fluke. Yeah, oh my god, it's so fast. I feel like no surface is safe right now. I'm going to be putting little Rad City stickers everywhere. I'll put this one on the back of my phone. And these are already pre-cut, so super nice. Now they come pre-cut, so it's not cutting it for you, but that's pretty cool. But I wanted to show you, like, this is the design that I made. I whipped this up in Canva in like 2 seconds and then imported it into this, and that just happened so fast. But I'm gonna ignore how broken my phone is. But yeah, I just shoved it on the back of my phone. Oh my god, that's so cool. I love it. I absolutely love it. Okay, I'm gonna switch this out and try the label sheets. It actually came with some in the box, as well as several. They sent me a couple of different samples, but I've looked at the catalog and they're not terribly priced, but I'm betting that you could probably use any of these if they're the right size. Okay, so this side is supposed to face downward. Let's see how easy it is to switch this out. First I'm gonna turn it off, and the button for that is back here. Right here. I'm gonna open these back up, and I'm gonna take that out. Hey Raddies, I just wanted to go over a couple of the things that I've learned since recording this video. I actually went through a lot of the different tutorials that they have videos for, and I found a few insights that I think are really, really helpful. So the first is that you want to make sure that you're printing in picture mode or image mode. That's going to make sure that you get the highest definition print that you possibly can. Now on my first sticker, the round one, I had the cityscape that was in it was kind of splotchy by design. So I wasn't expecting that to come out very clearly. But as you can see, like on the second one, it looks just like how I designed it, and I love that. I actually ended up turning those into like color stickers. They didn't look very good after I colored them, so I'm not going to show those to you, but trust me, that was kind of fun having like a colorable sticker. Another thing that I learned is that when you're replacing the label paper, you can actually open the top without having to turn it off. I'm so used to like old school printers and things like that. Anytime you want to open it, you have to turn it off to make sure you don't get shocked. But this is actually designed to safely open while it's still on, so that you can very quickly, so that you can basically complete your printing more efficiently. And I think that's really cool. Like, it's a very if anything goes wrong, it's super easy to fix, and that is great for someone who's super busy and trying to get orders out the door. So definitely those two features alone are so killer, and I love it. Those two features alone are just fantastic. So again, let's get back to the video. Okay, so you come into here, you find the label that you are using, which mine are the 2" by 2" circles. They're all pretty much the same color. It doesn't matter what the color is, that just is referring to the sticker itself. And I'm going to choose an image. Okay, so I've added it into the design studio. These buttons here help you align it. These are like nudge tools, which are, I actually really appreciate that, because sometimes it's hard to get things exactly where you want them. But I definitely love a good alignment tool. That's really gonna help. Now, this image obviously stretches beyond the sticker itself. So let's see what that's gonna look like. The contrast isn't really that great, so I'm gonna go back in and edit this up a little bit. Okay, so I created a new design. I actually made it in Canva and then just imported it as an image. So let's see how this turns out. Again, right now I have the 4x6 paper put in, so we'll see how this, hopefully I'm trying to get 2 stickers out of it, so. Look at it! It's like magic. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. Okay, I'm obsessed with this right now. This is awesome. Okay, so yeah, what am I gonna do with these? I'm gonna go show them to my husband. I can go into the app, I can click on the guide, and then I've got lots of different things that I can pull up. I've got videos, I have how-to guides. There's a lot of stuff in there that makes it super, super easy to go through and learn how to use, you know, whatever printer you've gotten. So this is really cool. Definitely something that I enjoy. As someone who designs learning curriculum for adults, there's no more powerful way to teach somebody how to do something than to physically show them. So having that resource built right into the app, you don't have to go to YouTube and try to like find the right thing for your model. You don't have to worry about, do I have the right paper? It's all built in, and I think that that's really cool. So having that an ecosystem that supports itself is thumbs up in my book. Okay, thanks so much for joining me for this unboxing video. I know it's not my normal type of video, but I know a lot of you out there have your small businesses, you're doing markets, you're selling to your neighbors, things like that, and maybe you're wanting to really get into shipping and things of that nature. If that's the case, I definitely think that this belongs in your studio. It is super easy to set up, it's very easy to design with, and I mean, it's way less expensive to buy these little label stickers than to go out and purchase a bunch of stickers. And honestly, for for your packaging and things like that, where people aren't really buying the sticker for the sticker's sake, I really like it, and I'm so glad they sent it to me because I was already in the market for one, and everyone knows like Munbyn is all over YouTube. People love it, and for good reason. I see why now. So I definitely think that this is something, if you're wanting to scale your business and take it from just your local community to being able to ship, or to add a little pizzazz to your packaging and things like that, this is going to make a huge difference for you, and it's going to be very, very easy to use. So definitely look into it. If you are interested in it, you can definitely buy one on Amazon. I'll have a link down in the description. And then there will also be other options in the description on how you can get one. So, and I'll see if I can find like a discount code or something. But yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this unboxing video. If you liked this, if you want to see more things like this, or if you'd like to see my new camera setup, which I'm working on evolving, definitely reach out, let me know in the comments, and I will see you next time. So go make something awesome this week, and as always, stay rad. If you enjoyed this video, you're definitely going to want to check out my haul video. You can click here for that right now.